George Orwell's Animal Farm, published in 1945, is a satirical novella that uses a group of farm animals to explore the complexities of power, politics, and corruption. Its allegorical nature allows it to serve as a critique of totalitarian regimes, specifically reflecting on the events leading up to and following the Russian Revolution of 1917. At the heart of the story is the rise and fall of a farm led by animals who overthrow their human farmer, Mr. Jones, in hopes of creating a society where all animals are equal. The initial ideals of the rebellion are enshrined in the 7 commandments of animalism, which promote equality and the common good. However, as the pigs, who assume leadership roles, gain power, the farm's utopian vision begins to unravel. The character of Napoleon, a pig who becomes the farm's leader, represents Joseph Stalin. Napoleon's rise to power involves manipulative tactics, such as using his loyal attack dogs to eliminate rivals and control dissent. His rule increasingly mirrors that of the human oppressors the animals initially overthrew. Through Napoleon, Orwell illustrates how those who start with revolutionary ideals can become indistinguishable from the tyrants they replaced. Another key figure is Snowball, a pig who initially works alongside Napoleon but is eventually ousted. Snowball represents Leon Trotsky, who was exiled by Stalin. Snowball's ideas for advancing the farm are sabotaged and distorted, highlighting how revolutionary leaders are often betrayed by those who seek to consolidate their own power. The farm's gradual descent into dictatorship is symbolized by the changing commandments and the eventual merging of the pigs with the human farmers they initially despised. The most poignant transformation occurs when the commandment, "all animals are equal," is altered to, "all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others." This reflects the erosion of the initial egalitarian principles and the establishment of a new hierarchy where the ruling pigs enjoy privileges similar to those of the humans. Orwell's use of animals allows him to critique the broader concept of totalitarianism without getting bogged down in specific historical details. The simplicity of the farm setting contrasts sharply with the complex political realities of human societies, making the novella accessible while delivering a powerful message about the corrupting influence of power. The animals' eventual realization that their situation is not much better than under the humans underscores Orwell's warning about how revolutions can betray their own ideals. In addition to its political commentary, Animal Farm is also a reflection on human nature and the ease with which idealism can be corrupted. The pig's gradual assumption of human behaviors, such as walking on 2 legs and engaging in trade, serves as a critique of the ease with which revolutionary leaders can become authoritarian. Overall, Animal Farm remains a timeless and relevant work due to its exploration of power dynamics and its critique of political corruption. Orwell's allegory captures the essence of how revolutions can deviate from their noble goals and serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked power.